From fake engine noises in electric cars, to fake vents, to underperforming off-road trucks, to overperforming Carolina squats. These are the 10 car trends that need to stop like yesterday. Like, subscribe, and let's go. Okay, I get it, I've been there before, but installing cheap LED bulbs in housings designed for halogen bulbs often results in improper light dispersion, which can blind oncoming traffic and create dangerous driving conditions for everybody. Now, this is an upgrade, but it's not only annoying, but it's also super hazardous. I mean, how many of you guys have been blinded by oncoming traffic? Hit the like button so I know how many. I can't tell if this is cool or just stupid, but the BMW iX features this unique and innovative Rearview camera system thingy integrated into the BMW badge. So here's how it works. That Rearview camera, it's cleverly concealed within the BMW badge. And get this, there's even a cleaning system that ensures the lens remains clear in various driving conditions. But yeah, that is just weird. I mean, I don't know what's wrong with just being able to clean your camera just like you would your iPhone camera, you know, the good old fashioned way, a little spit shine. But yeah, this is not the type of tech that I'm gonna want to buy when it's out of warranty, because when it breaks, well, how much are you gonna pay with BMW prices? Not gonna be cheap. Lifting your truck, especially with the level kit or even lowering it, can be super cool. But this trend just needs to die. It looks like someone only got halfway through lifting their truck and then had to go to work on Monday. And it's a acquired taste for sure. And now I saw this comment on Reddit and I think it sums it up. The Carolina squat is meant to imitate a dog lying down in a big steamy dump.
But also because any guy who would voluntarily do this to his truck probably squats to pee.
Seriously, there's zero practical application to this mod. Unless, well, if your goal is to increase your insurance premiums and make driving way harder, and can you even see out of the windshield doing this thing? This trend has gotten so out of hand that South Carolina has officially banned operation of squatted trucks in the state. And I heard they're going to other states to ban it as well. I mean, is it just me, or did these trucks look like they were trying to do a wheelie and got stuck halfway up and just kind of rolled with it? Now, you may not know, but now you know, slabs are sweet cruisers that originated in the Houston car scene. And 99.9% of the mods on these cars I can get behind. They're cruisers made to be slow, loud, and banging. But these, well, they took it a step too far. Swangas, S-W-A-N-G-A-S, with extreme poke, sometimes called orangutans when their reach goes this far, are a problem. I mean, when your wheels make your Cadillac wider than a Hummer H1 or a Bronco Raptor, they're more trouble than they're worth. And I just wish they would stay in their lane, literally. And honestly, they just kind of make your car look like they're ready to go work the fields and harvest wheat. Jeep owners. Okay, I'm not here to just hate on you. Heck, I've been one of you like twice. And there are plenty of great mods that you can make your Jeep look and drive fantastic. But guys, this is not one of them. It is cringeworthy. And it especially bums me out when I see someone who's invested a ton of time and money and research into kitting out their Jeep for serious off-roading and overlanding, and then just ruin it with these cheap plastic partial headlight cover thingy-majiggies, also called angry eyes. I guess just trust me when I say we all think that your Jeep already looks aggressive and masculine. You just don't need to broadcast your insecurity by making your Jeep look extra aggro. I mean, really, it's basically the male equivalent of giving your Jeep eyelashes. And Jeep community, I know you're tired of the rest of the enthusiast community coming after you, but it's mods like these that make them do it. Heck, outside of the shitty car mods, there is a whole subreddit devoted to crappy looking Jeeps. And look at their logo. Yeah, is that a Jeep grill? Yes, with the angry headlights. But yeah, I guess it's a Jeep thing and, well, we all just don't understand. Today, at this point in time, I am convinced that at least 50+% of the BMW 3 Series on the roads have fake M badges on them. I mean, seriously, is the fake M a dealership option nowadays? And we're even seeing them on models that were never offered in an M trim at all. And here's the thing, and really the reason nobody should up-badge their vehicle, like ever. See, anybody who actually knows what the M badge means will know that it is fake, right? And anybody who doesn't know what the M badge means, they just don't care. Trust me when I say it, it's not giving you clout, it's making you look like a fraud. And it's not just BMWs. We all have seen that Subaru killed off the STI with the latest edition of the WRX, and even though the TR is good, it's not an STI. I mean, I would know. But you Rexy owners throwing STI badges on your new WRX, well, that doesn't change the fact that it's just a WRX. And listen, Honda boys, the rest of this. I know you want the Civic Type R, but couldn't afford it. Throwing a red badge on your SI just highlights that fact. So, where it's really at is down badging or sleepers. I mean, get a 500 horsepower GTI or Golf R and throw on a regular just Golf badge and it smokes anyone and everyone from stoplight to stoplight. Take them to Applebee's. That's all I'm saying. Up badging is the opposite of sleepers, and I love me a good sleeper. Even worse than fake up badges are fake performance pieces. I'm talking fake vents, exhaust, hood pins, carbon fiber, and non-functional aero, which might as well just be fake. It's sad that they had to pump engine noises into the cabin of the new M3 for a better enthusiast driving experience. But if you go old school, here are some crazy mods that are clearly just trolling. But at the same time, that doesn't change the fact that it just looks bad. Hey, if you crash into this one, you think I'd get invincibility and super speed? And honestly, how could I not like Big Wang Gang? I guess sometimes a troll stupid mod can actually be kind of funny and cool. But even worse than aftermarket fake vents and when automakers themselves add fake performance kits to their cars. I mean, Toyota, you know we love that you brought back the Supra, but why all the fake vents? There's like 14 of them. And even the 2020 Civic Type R, it came equipped with fake vents right from the factory. I mean, see what happens when too many people hop on a dumb trend? The automaker themselves hop on it too. Now, adding a bit of tint to lights can be cool. It's not my favorite, but I can't deny it can look pretty good. But completely blacking out something essential like, well, I don't know, let's say your brake lights? That is just plain dumb. Not to mention, it's exactly the kind of mod that will get you the negative attention from the wrong crowd. So if you want to decrease your chances of getting rear-ended or getting a ticket, make sure you keep your brake lights visible, all right? Now, let me start off by saying that I love off-road ready trucks, SUVs, and the like. It's a whole side of car culture that doesn't get enough love from the rest of the enthusiast community. But dropping an extra $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 in high-performance lifts, suspension, tires, wheels, winches, tow hooks for a truck that never even touches gravel? Well, I hate to tell you, but you don't have an Overland. You have a pavement princess. This is a tricky one because I don't think any of this stuff actually looks bad or is impractical. It's a question of use case. You just hate to see all that sweet gear with nowhere to go but the driveway or the strip mall. It's like seeing a majestic wild tiger trapped in a cage at the zoo. You know, it's just longing to go out and explore and find a mate. And really, it's just kind of trapped and kind of sad, honestly. Okay, let me say here at Ideal, we love diesels. They can be absolutely incredible. And I hope they can stick around for years to come, even as automakers start closing out the ICE era as a whole. Some of our absolute favorite vehicles are diesels, like the Porsche Cayenne, the Volkswagen TDI, and of course, a lot of trucks. But that said, there's no better way to tell the world you're a jerk than by rolling coal. Yeah, even more than these truck nuts. Rolling coal hurts performance, hurts the environment. Honestly, it makes your truck just kind of look like a big vape. And here's the thing, it's creating so much bad press around the diesel community, it will only bring an end to the ICE era faster if people keep doing it. Like I said, we love our diesels and want them to last as long as possible. please don't get them killed off even faster. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Because what trends did we miss that you want to see go away forever? Well, let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't, well, yeah, like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and check out some of these Ideal vids over here. I'm Brad. This is Ideal. We will see you next week. And promise me one thing, keep living the Ideal lifestyle.